situation today. It's gonna be crazy. I heard lots about it yesterday. Today it actually starts, but everybody's showing up a day early. Like, apparently that's always been a thing, but apparently it's insane. So traffic's crazy. So we're kind of taking like a back route to the place. See how it goes. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of bikes, really nice cars. So, but there's also a lot of crazy people. Cops are cracking down hard this year. Apparently, fines are crazy. Like, you cannot burn out, or else it's a $500 fine. These are some nice woods. Showtime, boys! Whoa, oh my traffic jam. Holy nuts. Oh, my back. Oh, my back. Oh, he's gonna get caught. He was looking right at him. Ooh, look at those jixers. Yeah. Holy nuts. Look at, he's got a whole 3 hidden up in that thing. Oh. Jeez. Man, cops are mad today. Jeez. Because my visor was up. Yo. Yo. What? What's that one?
Come back here.
1 o'clock.
Talking to us.
What?
Something else that guy was
He might have been. Mind if you park right here? What was that? Oh, okay.
ZX6R, man. Like.
Oh, you good? Look at this. Fancy. Can't forget the mopeds. Yeah. Is that your bike? Man, my bike, man. I can't do nothing. Oh, shoot. Cops don't know what to do. Like, do we give them a hug or do we join them? More people are joining. That's a nice Gixxer, man. That's a Gixxer I'd upgrade too. Man. Someone's burning out. Holy bad. Nuts. We lost the pack. He's waiting for us. Look at the line, man. It goes all the way over there. So yummy. So yummy. I think it's the mopeds that are slowing us down. Yep, it was the mopeds. Another moped. Buddy. Oh, that scared me. Wow. See, wish I can do that, but my bike's not fast. Wow. Wowzers. Woohoo! That was insane, man. You're going back? Oh.
Oh, that was so cool.
This is crazy. My baby 200.
Bad. Bad. Can't really see it. Ended up being 76.
Yeah, who was that one cop going after? Yeah, he like swung through and he was like trying to find everybody. Thanks, Matt.
We get 5 minutes to the motorcycles. Yeah, we like making
We out here, boys. Oh, they might be going that way. Triumph 600, huh? Oh, fat! Look at that! See ya! That was fun.